Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. It means a lot. We put quite a bit of effort to make the videos, guys, to save you money. So what we'll be doing today, if you guys have a Ford Focus with the heated mirrors and you're trying to find the fuse, okay, if your mirrors do not work, you have heated side mirrors, we'll show you guys how to find the fuse. In the meantime, guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car on our channel, so please subscribe, guys. We do all that so we can save you quite a bit of money. Now, what you need to do, open the hood, doesn't matter which engine you have. Procedure should cover most of the Focuses. The fuse box is located next to the car battery. Okay, this is your fuse box. You need to go ahead and pull here, push, there is a tap, and pull up. On the front there is kind of like two clips, so you need to kind of pull to the front in an angle. Okay, those two holes goes on top of the clips. When you flip it this way, okay, this cover corresponds to the fuse layout here, and we need to locate fuse number 47. This is fuse number 47. In our case it's 7.5 amp fuse, so we will be using the fuse puller here. Okay, you can see that clip, pull to the side and pull the fuse puller up. Okay, like that. So all we have to do is spread it, get on top of the fuse, push that way and pull the fuse out. This is our fuse right here. Okay, this is our 7.5 amp fuse. 95% of the time you can tell if that fuse is good. We'll have a video how to test them because there is always a chance that it's not good. So always, guys, test them. We'll have the video on the channel, check it out. I'll get a replacement fuse now. Okay, and when you're ready to install it, make sure that you get everything aligned really good and push it in. But if it doesn't go in, something's wrong. It needs to have a little bit of resistance, but make sure that you don't bend anything. And next step will be, all we have to do, okay, don't forget to install your fuse puller here. Okay, it goes this way, and put the cap until it clicks. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please, guys, hit that subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for the support, and see you guys next time.